So Tim, we've had the federal election and we finally know who's in, and it's coming up to tax season. So what do we need to know for tax planning, and what do we need to consider moving forward?
Good question. So it's pretty urgent to do things before 30th of June 2019. So the coalition are back in. We know exactly what is going to happen now. So if you're in business, the instant asset write-off is the big thing. You can spend up to $30,000 between now and 30th of June to get a tax deduction on things that you need for your business. That doesn't give you $30,000 back, but it's a claim of $30,000. So whatever your marginal tax rate is, you get that back. Maximising super contributions if you've got the cash, and if that suits your situation, obviously get advice from a qualified financial advisor like we are. We can help you to make those right choices, and all the usual things before 30th of June. Now we've got checklists for individuals and for businesses. So if you want a checklist, contact our office. We would have emailed it to you anyway, but if you've misplaced it, contact us and we'll help you we'll get it to you and help you to run through what needs to be done before 30th of June. Quite a few other things. You've got a trust. You need to have a resolution before 30th of June. Who receives the money from your investment or training trust, so that way you don't get taxed on the top marginal tax rate. The key things with tax planning, we can give you a beautiful report and take you through exactly what your tax position will be for this current year and what you can do to reduce your tax. We can do that over the next couple of weeks, and then you've got an action plan to walk away and make it happen. And just don't think you can't do things. There's a lot that you always can do. That's what we excel in, helping you to do the right things legally to get your tax down. And tax down means money you can put against your home mortgage. It's non-tax deductible, the mortgage. So, if you can save some in tax, we can put it against there. We recommend put something against the mortgage, get rid of your credit cards if you can, knock some of that debt down. And take some, if you've got a large refund, take your family on holiday. Do something for your family and do something for your financial future. That's what we recommend with tax planning.
Exactly. So what kind of people would tax planning be suitable for?
Look, businesses, if you own a business, that's the number one thing, we can help you. But also, mum and dad, or singles, if you're on a high taxable income, there are some things you can invest in. There's some things you can prepay before 30th of June. That means that if we prepay and do certain things, we can get you a larger tax refund straight away in July. So if you've got investment properties, if you're earning a high amount of income, if you received a capital gains that's pushed your income up abnormally high this year, come and see us and we'll be able to help you in the next few weeks.
And because we have accountants and financial advisors here, can we help people think about tax over the short term but also the long term as well?
Exactly. So it's getting at what we can do for the next few weeks, but then getting you in the right structure so that way as the tax rates change over the next few years, you've got the best flexibility to take advantage of those. And what we like is, and when we give our clients reports every year with our financial statements and tax returns, what is your family tax rate? In other words, mum, dad, companies, all the rest of it, what are you paying across the board? What can we then do in future years to lower that? So once again, that's something that we're absolute experts in helping our clients to do.
Yeah, exactly. And it's really important to do something over the short term and over the long term as well, because then you know exactly where you're going to be over the long
Yeah, period. Exactly. So, it's a little bit of time for you to come and see us and to work through these things, but we do all the heavy lifting and we've got all the strategies and ideas ready to go. And just remember, what can you do with some of this tax that is saved? Don't just give it to the government. Legally get it back. Use it to reduce some of your debts and take your family on a holiday or whatever it might be. It's all about enjoying life now, plus also having your plans for the future, doing some of these key things so you're better off as time goes on.
Yeah, exactly right. Couldn't agree more. All right, thanks, Tim. I think we've covered everything there. And thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you.